Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading the clip into Capcut and immediately duplicate the track so you have a non-destructive backup. Next, scrub frame by frame to pinpoint the exact moment and area with light glare. This makes your adjustments focused and faster. Once done, trim the timeline to just the affected segment so processing and previews are quicker, and move the duplicate to a new track for targeted fixes without altering the original footage. You now reduce the glare by opening color correction and lowering highlights, whites, and slightly the exposure to prevent flattening the clip. This restores detail without darkening the whole image. After that, add a mask shape over the glare and increase feather to around 30 to 60% so the fix blends naturally. Make sure to keyframe the mask position and shape as the glare moves. This ensures the correction tracks the hotspot instead of cutting off or lagging behind. Finish by fine-tuning opacity and try blend modes like overlay or screen to integrate the corrected area smoothly. Small opacity tweaks often make the fix invisible. Apply a subtle Gaussian blur, about 0.5 to 2px, to eliminate hard seams and then check for any color shift. Adjust temperature or tint if necessary. If things go wrong, reset the mask and retrack it, or use a duplicate layer with an inverse mask to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.